Bought these on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. I need some light bars that go down the side. I'm tired of little toilet looking ones that look like a toilet ring. So this is what I'm using. It says USB-C. I'm hoping it's really USB-A because I don't have a charger other than this charger. To try it out today. 2-pack. I'm gonna put it on the side of my live streams. I like that it shows a webcam because that's why I had to buy it. Again, the link will be in the description below. Voila! Looks like they're independent. Pretty simple stuff. Comes with an adapter, that's nice. 2 adapters, I hope. Yep, 2 adapters. Some sticky stuff. Some wire holders. I think you guys can see that. See a little adapter from USB-A. See? Pretty cool. These are nice and light. Yeah, these are nicely made. Nice metal. Nice metal hinges all around. Standard screwdriver if you want to stiffen it up. Wow, I didn't think these would be that nice. Physical buttons that don't feel like they would like peel apart. Oh, 2 charge bricks, holy crap. That's a nice kit. I don't know what I paid for it. I thought it was like 20 bucks. They're both 2 amp. Very cool. I'm actually putting them back in there. Oh, no. Pretty good quality. Let's see what they do. Nice and bright. And go dimmer. Let's see if it saves the setting. Saves the setting, that's cool. Your different colors. Typical stuff there. Man, that gets bright. Wow, these things are going to work perfect. Until I plug them in, then they won't work at all. Okay. I like that it keeps your settings. See if it keeps it after you unplug it. Plug it back in. Dim. Okay, so don't keep it. So as long as you always have power to it, it keeps it. Nice!